Good morning, guys. Eating some eggs and bacon on rye bread and some tea, of course. Going to Copenhagen today. Gonna pick up my components for the electrical setup that I'm gonna build for the electric unicycle, so I can use it to power my life. Yeah, slow day though. Cold apartment. I'm getting ready to leave for Copenhagen. I'm just cleaning my sneakers. Well, this one I already cleaned. It was looking more like this before. And I'm normally not the type to clean sneakers, but I really like these. And they don't even look that bad dirtied. But let's just try and keep them pristine for a little longer. Once I cleaned these, I think I'm gonna go deliver the bottles that I've collected and then head over to the train station. Gotta do some dishes when I get back. Yeah, I'm just cleaning it with a toothbrush and some lukewarm water. I'm using one of these plastic gloves for this, so I don't get all the nasty gunk on me. Also use these when I pick up the bottles. Money. Completely full train. This is crazy. The train company hired these Gestapo guys to go around and stop people from smoking and stop people from riding electric scooters and stuff. Fucking laughable, man. Alright guys, here I am at the bus stop. I just gave Natya Mike's stuff, and I also picked up this. I'm gonna bring this to my cousin's place so we can scrap the battery cells and use them for different projects. It just gives me a chance to show him the ropes, you know, how to disassemble a battery safely, how to remove the metal on the terminals of the battery cells, and if you need to re-sleeve the cells and all that, I can show him. But yeah, I missed the bus, so now I gotta wait 23 minutes. Hey, it ain't no thing. I'm used to waiting for these things for like an hour where I'm from. The western part of Zealand. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna listen to some more Radio Free Albumeth. I was listening to that in the train all the way here. Oh yeah, if you don't know, it's a book by Philip K. Dick, a great science fiction writer. Well, maybe it's not quite science fiction, but great writer. I was going to my cousin's place in Husum, but I don't know, just getting a strong feeling that instead I should just head back and go to Husum tomorrow. I can't really explain it. Something's just telling me I gotta just go back and just do it tomorrow. I don't know if it's about a sense of imminent danger or anything, but I'm just gonna respect it. I don't mind traveling in the train either way. Here we go. Yeah, just going back home. I know I could spend another hour and a half to go to my cousin's place, but fuck it, I'm just going tomorrow. Going back home.
Book a trip.
I'm just collecting some bottles. I don't know if you guys can tell. I got bottles in here. Gotta make a little bit of money. Gotta eat. Oh yeah, I'm still listening to Radio Free Albemuth. I don't like it as much as Valis, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I can recommend it. Checked out the station and got a little bit of a haul. I don't know how much it's here, maybe 30 krona or so, 35 krona. I mean, it is Friday, so it kind of makes sense. I'm gonna go to the gas stations later. I'm just waiting for my friend to hit me up. He wanted to talk. I'm at the part where Phil is speaking to Pastor Leon. It's really interesting. And I'm just making pancakes. I'm so damn hungry. Alright guys, I just finished Radio Free Albemuth. Great audiobook. Well, I didn't actually like the audiobook so much. There were two different narrators in the audiobook, and yeah, it was just one that I downloaded. It had some notification sounds in there that muted some sentences, but the book itself was good. Not quite on par with Valis, but it's kind of interesting still because this book revolves around some of the stuff they talk about in Valis. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the next book. I'm not sure I can find that in audiobook form. In any case, I'm just gonna download some Philip K. Dick audiobooks so I got something to listen to. I think it's much better than watching YouTube, or I mean, maybe I should have edited some videos today, but hey, I was just busy listening. I've been listening to this book going to Copenhagen, driving around in the buses and stuff, like except for the 45 minutes I spent at Natcha's place, just talking to her and her friend, and yeah, outside of that I've been listening to the book all day. It's really good, man. Radio Free Albemuth. But I almost don't want to recommend it. I think Valis is better, even if it's your first Philip K. Dick book. Yeah, Valis is like the best shit he's made, at least that I'm aware of. But I'm gonna eat some pancakes now, guys. Check it out. I already snuck a few in. I couldn't wait. I'm so hungry. Yo guys, I'm out on the electric unicycle doing a bottle run. I don't know if you can see. I already cleared out the train station earlier, as you saw, and now I cleared out the gas stations. And I think I may have figured out why this bottle collector went all the way down here out of his way. I think it has something to do with these piles of bottles here. Just piles of empty bottles in trash bags. Maybe he has some kind of hookup with these guys that he can come pick them up. I don't know. I don't see why they'd give them away for free. But yeah, I don't want to steal bottles, man. That's crazy. So I'm just getting out of here. I don't have a hookup. Oh yeah, I'm riding without my helmet too. It's just, I gotta be aware. I know the cops, they want to talk to me in town, and I'm not really interested. So yeah, I need to keep my head on a swivel. I can't be wearing a helmet while digging into trash cans and stuff. And also, I'm going slow. I'm just talking to Stony while doing this. But yeah, this went by pretty fucking quickly, man. Like, doing this shit on an electric unicycle feels like cheating. I keep forgetting to show you. Every time I take a train, I always get one of these. That's like $120 fine. And another $120 fine for the way home. I don't give a shit. I owe the government so much money. Who the fuck cares, man? Fuck that. But hey, check it out. I found some more money to add to my pre-existing money. Hey. I think I might have gotten like a little more than 50 krona today. Basically as much as I've gotten for the past 3 days. But honestly, for the past 3 days, I haven't actually really been applying myself. I've just been kind of wanting to go for a night walk, and then I just did some of the garbage bins. But now that it's the weekend, I'm gonna try and see if I can't wake up a little early tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe I'll collect some bottles in Copenhagen. I don't actually really know. I'm fine on money. It's just I know all of a sudden you're gonna get into these days, especially in the winter. I mean, the only reason there's bottles is because it's the weekend. People are drinking. But I know you get into this shit in the weekend. But yeah, using the electric unicycle is great for this stuff. Yeah. But yeah, in the weekends you get a lot of money. But then during the weekdays, especially later on in the month, there's basically gonna be nothing. And there's also other people collecting. Well, it's time to relax. Alright, let's go. I'm having breakfast as a late night snack. Can't help it, man. Bacon and eggs on rye bread is just immaculate. I'm gonna eat some of that while talking to Stony. Itadakimasu.